Little child, dry your crying eyes, 'cause how can I explain the fear you feel inside? 'Cause you were born into this evil world where man is killing man and no one knows just why. And what do we become? Just look what we have done. 'Cause all that we destroy, you must build again. When the children cry, let them know how we tried. 'Cause when the children they sing, then our new world begins. Little child, you must show the way to a better day for all the young. 'Cause though you were born for the world to see that we're all human, we're love and peace. No more presidents, you know what's one end. One united world under God. Children cry, let them know that we tried. 'Cause when the children they sing, then they're well.